we had this big kind of red candle, so this big kind of wick, and what was going on inside the wick was the opposite to here. So now we can see a lot of red delta. So I'm just going to go over a few specific rows. 440 for 223, that's roughly a 2x difference, right, between the aggressive sellers on the left and the aggressive buyers. So the way you want to look at this is you want to be focusing specifically on who is aggressive and who is being rewarded, right? Those are the two questions you want to ask yourself, and that is what market orders and limit orders are about. Now the basic question is this: you want to think through it like this. If you see a lot of red delta here but the market breaks higher, and again just over here we see a lot of red delta and we see this big push to the upside, you want to ask yourself, at this region over here, so this is our second key level between sort of 68.70 and 68.90, 68 sort of 85 area, who is in control, right? Is it the buyers or the sellers? If we see aggressive sellers, so market orders hitting the bid, more market sellers than market buyers, but the market breaks higher, that shows you're at an area of demand, right? So why is this important? Now, if we get to 2 and we see, a similar pattern to here, if we can hold above 2, right, key level 2, that means that the demand is still holding from Friday. We want to be bullish. We want to be buying in the New York session. However, if we break below key level 2, then we know that the previous passive sellers over here, they're passive sellers sitting over here, these previous passive sellers are not being rewarded. Therefore, you want to be going short around about 68.75 area, right? So that is how you want to be kind of, these are the levels you want to be paying attention to. So if we take this now to the trading view chart, right? So here we have the same sort of thing. So on Friday, right, this was the long I tried to take on Friday in the AM session, but the price action, we've had a lot of chop recently. There you go. So I didn't take this trade.